is what's sold today on eBay. I bought this for $6 at Goodwill. It's a Mizuno 14-inch softball glove. It says the professional model. You could tell someone barely ever used it. I went to go clean it. There's nothing wrong with it. It's a nice glove. Looks good too. I mean, it's not been used. And anybody knows anything about Mizuno, they're the ones to get, really, that you'll find. And I had this listed for $34. Had 4 watchers, and I relisted it. Took better pictures because I got box lights. Made sure it was square mode, and I put it up for $31, and it sold within a day or within 2 days after I relisted it and sell similar. Or ended the listing, put sell similar, relisted again, just had a little better price. And it's $7.82 for shipping, so they're all in for about $40. And six into 32, and after fees and everything, I've made about 18 bucks or so. I don't have that figured out right, but just another thing to look for, be on the lookout for Mizuno softball gloves, and it sells even in the winter. I sold some Starbucks sweatpants. They're extra large. Got them for $6. I thought I'd be able to get 25 or 20 for them, since they're extra large sweatpants. Star Wars. Thought they'd be unique because they're in really good shape, but ended up had them for $14.95. I dwindled it down. Finally, I sold it for. I had it $14.95. Someone sent an offer for $10. I sent back $12.95, and they took it. So, and I'm just trying to get my money back and just reinvest it, really. And still made a few bucks, but this is something I bought at the very beginning at Goodwill. I thought would do good, but I was just guessing.